Imagine Jupiter, massive and powerful, a colossal gas giant, the largest planet in our solar system, with a diameter of about 143,000 kilometers. Its swirling bands of clouds and the iconic Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth itself, make it a truly awe-inspiring sight. Now picture it cloaked in the familiar blue we see every day on Earth. Imagine the thick, turbulent atmosphere of Jupiter transforming into a serene blue sky, similar to what we experience on our home planet. The idea seems almost fantastical, yet it invites us to ponder the possibilities. This isn't science fiction, but a thought experiment, a way to stretch our imagination and explore the boundaries of planetary science. What if we could alter the very nature of a planet? What if we could change its atmosphere, its climate, its very essence? What if Jupiter, the king of our solar system, swapped its stormy hydrogen and helium for an atmosphere like our own? Imagine the impact on its weather patterns, its appearance, and even its potential to support life. The transformation would be nothing short of extraordinary. This question forces us to think differently about planets. It challenges our understanding of what makes a planet habitable and what conditions are necessary for life. Scientists and astronomers spend their lives studying these questions, using advanced technology and innovative methods to unlock the secrets of our universe. It makes us consider the very air we breathe. The delicate balance of gases that sustain life on Earth is a result of billions of years of evolution. Could such a balance ever be achieved on a planet like Jupiter? And if so, what would it mean for the future of space exploration and the search for extraterrestrial life? Could a gas giant, a world known for its violent storms, ever resemble the planet we call home? The idea seems improbable, yet it sparks a sense of wonder and curiosity. It makes us question the limits of our knowledge and the potential for future discoveries. The answer, while rooted in science, leads us down a path of wonder and speculation. It encourages us to think beyond the confines of our current understanding and to imagine new possibilities. This is the essence of scientific inquiry, to ask questions, to explore, and to dream. This is the beauty of astronomy. It allows us to look beyond our own world and to see the universe in all its vastness and complexity. It reminds us that we are part of something much larger than ourselves, and that there is still so much to discover. By asking what if, we push the boundaries of what we know. We challenge ourselves to think creatively and to explore new ideas. This is how scientific breakthroughs are made, by daring to imagine the impossible and then working to make it a reality. We begin to see the universe with fresh eyes. We start to appreciate the beauty and complexity of the cosmos, and we gain a deeper understanding of our place within it. This sense of wonder and curiosity is what drives us to continue exploring and learning. Let's embark on this journey together. Let's explore the possibilities and imagine what could be. Let's push the boundaries of our knowledge and continue to seek out new discoveries. The universe is vast and full of mysteries, and there is so much more to learn. Let's reimagine Jupiter, not as it is, but as it could be. Let's dream of a future where we can transform planets and create new worlds. This is the power of imagination and the spirit of exploration. Together, we can unlock the secrets of the universe and discover the wonders that lie beyond. Jupiter is a giant dwarfing every other planet in our solar system. Unlike Earth, it has no solid ground. It's a swirling mass of gas, mostly hydrogen and helium. Its atmosphere is a chaotic masterpiece. Huge storms rage for centuries. Winds howl at unimaginable speeds. The Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth, is a testament to Jupiter's raw power. Jupiter's moons, some with hidden oceans, orbit this giant. They are worlds unto themselves, offering tantalizing hints of possible life beyond Earth. Earth's atmosphere is our shield. It's a delicate mix of nitrogen and oxygen. It protects us from the sun's harmful rays and provides the air we breathe. Our atmosphere is layered. The troposphere, closest to the ground, is where our weather happens. Above that lies the stratosphere, home to the ozone layer that shields us from ultraviolet radiation. Higher still are the mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere, each with its own unique properties. This complex system creates the conditions for life as we know it. Now let's swap. Imagine for a moment if we could take the atmosphere of Earth and place it on Jupiter. What would happen to this gas giant, known for its swirling storms and vibrant colors? Let's give Jupiter Earth's atmosphere. Imagine the change. The thick, turbulent clouds of hydrogen and helium would be replaced by nitrogen and oxygen, the primary components of Earth's atmosphere. No longer a canvas of swirling red and orange, Jupiter would transform. The Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth itself, might lose its fiery hue and become something entirely different. The hydrogen and helium, the source of its vibrant colors, would be replaced. Instead, we would see a sky dominated by the blues and whites of nitrogen and oxygen. In their place, nitrogen and oxygen. These gases, which make up the air we breathe, would create a completely new visual experience on Jupiter. The change in composition would be dramatic. The familiar bands of red, orange, and brown would give way to new patterns and colors. Jupiter's very appearance would be rewritten. The planet we know today would be unrecognizable, transformed into a new world with a sky that mirrors our own. The once familiar bands might fade, replaced by something new. The dynamic weather systems of Jupiter would interact with the new atmosphere in unpredictable ways. Would we see shades of blue, hints of green? The interplay of light with the new atmospheric gases could create a palette of colors we've never seen before on Jupiter. The answer lies in the complex interplay of light and atmospheric gases. The scattering of sunlight through nitrogen and oxygen could paint Jupiter in hues reminiscent of Earth's sky. This thought experiment unlocks our creativity. It challenges us to think beyond the familiar and imagine the possibilities of other worlds. It allows us to picture a Jupiter that is both familiar and utterly alien. A giant with a new sky, inviting us to dream of what lies beyond our own atmosphere. Section 5. The Dance of Air and Gravity. Jupiter's powerful gravity wouldn't disappear with its new atmosphere. Instead, it would become an even more dominant force, shaping the planet's weather in ways we can barely imagine. The immense gravitational pull would ensure that the atmosphere remains tightly bound to the planet, creating a dynamic and volatile environment. It's this gravity, far stronger than Earth's, that would shape the new Jovian weather. The sheer strength of Jupiter's gravity would mean that any atmospheric changes would be more intense and dramatic. The planet's gravity well is so deep that it would pull gases and particles with incredible force, creating powerful weather systems. On Earth, air rises and falls, creating wind and weather patterns. These movements are driven by the heating of the Earth's surface by the sun, causing air to expand and rise, then cool and fall. This cycle creates the familiar patterns of wind and weather that we experience every day. On Jupiter, with its immense gravity, these movements would be amplified. The rising and falling of air would be much more dramatic, leading to stronger winds and more extreme weather patterns. The planet's rapid rotation would also play a role, adding to the complexity and intensity of the weather systems. Winds would whip across the Jovian sky with unimaginable force. These winds could reach speeds of hundreds of miles per hour, far exceeding anything we experience on Earth. The combination of strong gravity and rapid rotation would create a turbulent and chaotic atmosphere. The Coriolis effect, caused by the planet's rotation, would also come into play. This effect, which causes moving air to be deflected to the right in the northern hemisphere and to the left in the southern hemisphere, would be much stronger on Jupiter due to its rapid rotation. Just like on Earth, it would cause storms to spin and twist. However, on Jupiter, these storms would be much larger and more powerful. The planet's size and gravity would allow for the formation of massive storm systems that could last for years or even centuries. But on Jupiter, the scale would be colossal. Storms on Jupiter could be thousands of miles wide, dwarfing even the largest hurricanes on Earth. These massive storms would be a testament to the incredible power and complexity of Jupiter's atmosphere. Section 6. Storms of a new Jupiter. The Great Red Spot, a hallmark of Jupiter's current atmosphere, might persist, but its appearance would change. No longer a raging red vortex, it might morph into a swirling mass of white and gray. Imagine storms the size of continents, powered by Jupiter's intense gravity. Lightning would crack across the sky, illuminating the swirling clouds. This new Jupiter would be a place of both beauty and terror, a stark reminder of the power of nature unleashed on a planetary scale. Section 7. Life's Chances, a Cosmic Question. The question of life is always on our minds. Would Jupiter, with its new Earth-like atmosphere, be any more hospitable to life? The answer is complex. While an Earth-like atmosphere is essential for life as we know it, other factors play a role. Jupiter's intense gravity and powerful radiation belts present significant challenges. However, life is incredibly adaptable. Perhaps in the depths of Jupiter's new atmosphere, shielded from the worst of the radiation, life could find a foothold. It's a tantalizing thought. Section 8. Keep wondering. Our journey through a Jupiter transformed ends here, but the questions remain. This thought experiment reminds us of the vastness of the universe and the endless possibilities it holds. By asking what if, we open our minds to new ways of thinking. We come to appreciate the delicate balance that makes life on Earth possible. So keep looking up at the stars, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the wonders of our universe.